Science-backed hair growth remedy. Onion juice benefits. Join me, guys, and let's all find out what are these. Onion or allium cepa is a vegetable widely used in cooking and traditional medicine. It belongs to the allium family, which includes garlic, leeks, and shallots. Onions are known for their strong flavor and smell. They are also packed with nutrients and healthy boosting compounds. Can onion juice really help your hair grow faster and thicker? Or is it just another old wives' tale? Today, we dive into the science and studies behind this natural remedy that's taking social media by storm. What research says, a 2002 study published in the Journal of Dermatology found that applying onion juice twice daily for 2 months promoted hair regrowth in alopecia areata. Patients with noticeable results after 2 weeks. Why it works? Rich in sulfur, which helps strengthen hair strands and improve blood circulation to the scalp. Contains antioxidants like flavonoids and quercetin that fight free radical damage. Has antibacterial properties that may help reduce scalp infections that cause hair loss. How to use it? Extract juice from 1 to 2 onions. Apply the scalp and massage. Leave on for 15 to 30 minutes. Then wash off with mild shampoo. Use 2 to 3 times per week. Tips and precautions. Always do a patch test. Some people are allergic. Avoid if you have a sensitive scalp or eczema. Mix with oils. Example given, coconut or castor oil to reduce the smell. nature has its own pharmacy, and sometimes science agrees. Onion juice may not be the most glamorous remedy, but the results speak for themselves. Will you give it a try? Hair growth. Onion juice is believed to boost circulation to the scalp, provide support to strengthen hair and fight infections that might prevent hair growth. Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethellallera here is signing off.